Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. To my online friends, you're the best. Welcome. And I'm really appreciative of my new subscribers too. But if you just come across this channel and you're wondering what is this woman? Who is she, hey? You got to hang around, okay? Okay, so you've seen it in the title. In this video, I want to show you how I keep my silk press from frizzing up and reverting back to curly. Trust me, sis. Is this... So if it's something you're interested in seeing, get your tea, your banku, and your fufu, and we are going to do it, okay? Alright, first of all, I might like to add, I'm going to leave a card right here for you to see my silk press, my attempt at doing a silk press. I mean, it was my version of it. Baby, my hair got nice and straight. It's the straightest that it's ever been in any silk press or any straightening session. Now, I know I've got some waves and curls in my hair, but these have been created because of the things that I've been doing to my hair. The way I can tell whether my hair stays straight is from my root. Just look at this, okay? Look how straight my roots are. No, it's very straight, no kinks, no waves. Now, let me just add, I'm 50 years old and I'm going through my perimenopause stage, which means I sweat like sweaty Betty. And the radiators are on throughout the night, okay? So you know when a product has worked. The hair is straight, okay? So get yourself some of this and definitely get yourself some of this. Okay, so I'm not gonna cover any more about these products. You can have a look at that video there that it took so much time to do. Okay, so my hair has nice shine to it. It feels moisturized and I put no extra heat on my hair at all. And these lovely curls were done via the way I maintain my hair. I'm gonna show you that right now. And I use just one tool. So for me to maintain my silk press, all I've been using is one thing, and that's a bobby pin. That's it. That's all I've been using. And I'm going to show you exactly what I've been doing, okay? Okay, right, so first of all, I'd like to mention I've not used a brush, any comb, anything. I don't care how wide the teeth are. I've not used anything but my fingers. With my fingers, I find that I'm so much more gentle. So, I just section my hair off into 5. I'm just going to do that now. And so I'm going to tie the back part off because that's going to be sectioned in 3. Alright, so I'm just going to finger comb it, so I'm going to comb it through. Alright, so I'm just going to comb, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb it upwards. Am I keeping my hair from being tangled by doing this gently? So I do a combination of 2 things. So I'm twisting away, It's not a Bantu knot, but it's kind of a Bantu knot, but not. So I twist the hair right to the end. Now when I get to the end, what I do is I just twirl it around my finger and then just do like that, okay? So you've got that effect. So I want to clip that in with a bobby pin. I need to get the ends in, so that's probably going to unravel. So as many bobby pins as possible to shut that down. Hold it down, secure this style. Okay, and there we have it. Okay, I'm going to do that again. I'm just going to lightly finger comb, making sure there's no tangles and reducing the risk of single strand knots. Get rid of any shed hair. And I've been doing this every single night. Okay, right, so I'm gonna do that again. And keeping it up. Good shine on that, it's so nice. Obviously, twisting your hair will keep the moisture locked into your hair. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm using my other hand to roll the hair and make sure it's staying in that secured twist. So once I get to the end and I'm twisted and I can't twist anymore, and then it will start to undo as you roll it up to the top, but at least it has some give. Going to start twisting it on itself. And you don't want to do it so tight anyway so that it manipulates the root of your hair or your hairline. There we have it, all intact. Right, so now onto the back, and I'm going to do 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same. And so now all I do is I just put on the satin bonnet, and that's it. It stays on my hair, it doesn't move, and I'm so pleased. Now, in the morning, this is typically what my hair would look like. I know it hasn't been in this twist for long, but this is what it would look like. I mean, come on, look at that. You can't complain. Looking fine, fine. Hey, look at that, look at that. It's got the shine. Oh, I mean, the ends need to be worked on a little bit because they're not as cute as this part here. You see, sister, you see this, hey? Oh, that looks so good, especially this, it's amazing. So, okay, so I have hot flashes throughout the night and through the daytime, yet still my hair stays straight. And this is the best way I can maintain this silk press. That's it. What do y'all think, eh? Guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this kind of content. Also, guys, let me know in the comments if you would like to see my skincare routines. I haven't done a skincare video for a long time, and I will see you again in my next video. Please take care of yourself. Surround yourself with people who will celebrate you, eh? Celebrate you. Please look after yourself, and remember, God loves you. You are a gem in his eyes. You take care. God bless you. Bye.